Hello everybody, I'm Cambridge English teacher Rory, and today I'm going to tell you about nouns in English. We will look at what is a noun, what are countable and uncountable nouns, and what words you can use with countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so first, what is a noun? A noun is a person or an object or a place. So for example, this is a glass. It's an object. It is a noun. I am Rory. I am a person. Rory is a noun. I am in Portugal. Portugal is a place. Portugal is a noun. Okay? So just to recap, a noun can be an object, or it can be a person, or it can be a place. Now, in English, some nouns are called countable nouns, and some nouns are called uncountable nouns. A countable noun is a noun you can count. For example, this is a glass. It's just one glass. But this is another glass. Now there are two glasses. I can count them. So glass is a countable noun. I can say one glass, I can say two glasses, I could say 10 glasses, 100 glasses. I can count glasses. But inside this glass, there is water. Water is an object. It is a liquid, a thing. We cannot count water. We can count the units, the milliliters, the liters, but we cannot count water. We cannot say 1 water, or 2 waters, or 3 waters. Water is an uncountable noun. Most uncountable nouns are liquids or ideas. We can make uncountable nouns countable. For example, water is uncountable, but glass is countable. So we can say 1 glass of water, or 2 glasses of water. But we cannot say 1 water or 2 waters. We need to say 1 glass of water, or 1 litre of water. Okay. If you have lots of countable nouns, for example, 200 glasses, you can use the word many. Many glasses. If you have lots of water, for example, in a big lake, you can say much water, but you cannot say many water. Many is with countable plural nouns. Much is with uncountable nouns. But we can use a lot of with countable plural or uncountable nouns. So we can say a lot of glasses or a lot of water. Okay. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson. I've been Cambridge English teacher Rory, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.